Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to make 8 poster for social media like this. So if you want to make your own 8 poster for social media, so you have to watch this video till the end and do not skip anywhere. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, you can see here is preview, and you can see it's more attractive for people. So we will make this type of poster. So first of all, open PICSALLAB application and then change the color. So I am changing color. Okay, and then click on third option and click on draw option and then change the color to red plus orange type of color. Okay, so here I am changing color to red plus orange type of color, and this will look like this. So yeah, this will look like good. And then smoothness should be 100% and the fill inside option should be also on, and then draw some shape like this. So I am drawing like this. So here you can see, and we will draw 3 shapes, so I will adjust them correctly, so you can also draw like this. Follow me.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why.
So guys, as you can see, I adjust them correctly, and then add your picture for what you are going to make this poster. So I'm adding the picture. So I'm adding the picture of burger here. So I will add the picture of burger. Okay, and then adjust the picture correctly in order to look like good. So here I am locking this here, and then I will adjust the picture of burger correctly. So after adding your picture, add your text like your company name, your shop address, what you offer for people, and all the text should be added correctly, and then change the color of all the text. And then you should also add your logo at the top right corner. So you can see as I am doing these things, so you should also do step by step.
Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never